It is day 15 in the criminal trial of former President Donald Trump.
Next week, Michael Cohen is expected to take the stand. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor was in the courtroom today and has this update.
Former White House aide Madeleine Westerhout took the stand again Friday. The defense pulled up a contact list prepared for Westerhout when she started working for then-President Trump. Westerhout said it was comprised of people he spoke to before he became president or might be interested in speaking to, like family members, David Pecker, Alan Weisselberg, Michael Cohen, casino mogul Steve Wynn, and athletes Serena Williams and Tom Brady. The defense asked her, there are people on that list who never called the Oval Office. Many, yes, she replied. David Pecker, CEO of American Media Inc., publisher of the National Enquirer, testified earlier in the trial about so-called catch-and-kill deals involving his purchase of 2 negative stories about his friend Trump that he didn't publish, he said, to protect Trump's campaign. Former Trump Organization CFO Alan Weisselberg, described as a man who had his hands in everything, is currently behind bars for perjury. The 76-year-old wasn't on the witness list, but now he might be. The prosecution wants to be able to show his separation agreement with the Trump Organization, they say, to explain why he isn't in court. They argue it reads that if Weisselberg testifies, he won't receive the rest of his severance. The judge suggested putting Weisselberg on the stand without the jury present to see if he would testify or if he would just invoke his Fifth Amendment right, saying, "We're trying to explain why he's not here without making any effort to get him here." The next big witness, Michael Cohen, Trump's then personal attorney who paid adult film star Stormy Daniels $130,000 out of his own pocket before the 2016 presidential election. Prosecutors allege it was in exchange for her silence about an alleged affair with Trump. Trump is charged with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records related to that payment. It's alleged he reimbursed Cohen through monthly payments disguised as legal expenses.
Legal expense to a lawyer, they called it legal expense. They said it was marked incorrectly. What else would you call it?
This tweet thread was shown in court today ahead of Cohen's expected testimony, in which Trump wrote Cohen was reimbursed. In its opening, the defense had told jurors, "You're going to learn this was not a payback." Prosecutors say they have 2 more witnesses to call and could rest their case by the end of next week. Outside of Manhattan Criminal Court, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
After the defense requested a gag order on Michael Cohen, the judge didn't grant one, but he told the prosecutors they should tell Cohen to refrain from making any more statements about the case or about Trump.